So guys, today I am going to make Robert assaulted meat Nigerian food for the first time. I tell us that if you go back, they go take out any of my meat. Robert, put on my meat. So guys, this is my meat for my assaulted meat. Make sure I cook them in seasoning water. Don't eat no more, please. Do not eat anymore. If you take it small, it will finish. You would finish accomplish what I try to do yes for you. So I take my time small, I learn how to cook your food, eh? If you can just put the rice in the pot for me.
Okay, yeah, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what you do it is boil hot water, wash the rice with the hot water.
Yeah. Yeah. So do it then. Do it for me, please, while I prepare the seasoning. So guys, this is the fries. That's my assaulted meat. You can see I put broad. So guys, this is my assaulted meat and rice. So he's gonna eat it now.